The Two Tires Guide to the Bridgestone H50. The H50 has been developed specifically for cruiser motorcycles and has been designed to return great mileage and handling. They also offer a really fast warm-up time and lots of feel, even in cold conditions. The H in H50 stands for Harley, but don't worry, you can fit these to other bikes too. In fact, it's the OEM tire on BMW's R18. You get the feeling Bridgestone have designed the H50 to offer Harley riders a no-brainer decision when they've worn out their OEM Dunlops. In many ways, the H50 is a superior tire to most of the OEM Dunlops, especially in colder UK conditions. The H50 is offered in a huge range of sizes, all of which are tubeless, but you can run any of these tires with inner tubes if your bike has spoked wheels. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.